Good morning. Thank you for checking out the Berman Report. Today is Tuesday, June 30th. A couple of things going on in the economy today. The Case-Shiller Home Price Index fell in April versus March, showing that declines in home prices is slowly moderating. Home prices in 20 major U.S. metropolitan areas fell, but at a slower pace, signaling that real estate values are abating. Very, very good for the economy, maybe not so good for mortgage interest rates. Consumer confidence also dipped in June after moving higher the previous 2 months. As you read more into the report, obviously this is a no-brainer. It said that Americans are saying jobs are harder to get. That's pretty obvious. The economy's not out of the tanks yet, and people are still looking for jobs. The Chicago factory orders increased, which is great. It did still show a contraction in the Chicago manufacturing area. However, it was at a slower pace than previous months. On great news, Ford Motor Company announced today that it is boosting its third quarter production levels, citing stronger demands for cars and trucks in June. Ford plans to increase production by 16% compared with the third quarter of 2008, and it said it would increase production only 10%. Very, very good for the economy. When Ford does well, the U.S. economy tends to do well. This may signify that if GM comes out of bankruptcy, lean and mean, they may be able to survive in the economy as well. Currently, the S&P is down to 915, down 11, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is at 8424, down 104. Some other things to think about today when shopping for a home mortgage. Make sure that you check out a couple different banks or brokers. You want to have a good mix of banks and brokers in your arsenal when you go to shop for interest rates. That way that you make sure that you're getting the best deal and you're not just going to the first person that you speak with. Thanks for checking out the Berman Report. We look forward to speaking with you soon.